Good evening, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we're on April 10th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. And this video today is about a developing large low-pressure system that is heading across the United States, which will be bringing a lot of snow accumulations to North and South Dakota, Utah, Montana, and thunderstorm conditions, tornado conditions all across Tornado Alley. But this is going to be a very big storm. If this projected 5-day forecast is correct, we're going to have a pretty wet Ontario. So watch for flooding in Ontario, local rivers, and watch for heavy accumulations of snow on the backside of that storm. Some very cold temps behind that low pressure system. You can see here over the 5 days, the dark blue that heads across the southeastern United States is where you'll see most of the thunderstorm and tornadic action. It is tornado season, and I'm expecting a doozy of a tornado season. So stay aware and prepared, and stay tuned to Morning Dew. I am here for you. And the only other major system that is a concern around the world is Tropical Cyclone Kevin, but has now dissipated and is heading towards Antarctica. So here we are, the last 24 hours for earthquakes. Overnight we had a large 6.2 earthquake in South America, Oval, Chile. That was a 76-kilometer depth. And then we also had some major movement north of it in Peru, and also in Mexico, Guatemala. Another 4.5 Frackin 4.5 in Oklahoma. And around the world, it's been actually pretty busy. This is an older earthquake, but that was one of the deepest ones. So we were expecting a larger, shallow earthquake, and we did get that with the 6.2 in Chile. And then here is the last 7 days for earthquakes all around the world. Every magnitude from 1 to largest being the 6.2 the last 7 days. But I want to thank you all for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew. We'll leave you with a look of the earthquakes from around the world. Stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Bye-bye.